Hey, Jacob.
Hey there.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm building a time machine.
That's a briefcase.
It's a time machine.
Briefcase.
What's this?
Holy crap, Jacob! What's with the cat and what's with the spoon?
No time to explain. I need you to go in there.
Come with you for where? What?
Into the future.
What do we have to do?
Alright, good spin.
What? Okay.
Excellent. It worked.
I don't think it worked, Jacob.
Ah, yes it did. We're in the future.
No, we're in my living room.
Robert, it moves us through time, not space. We're in your living room in the future. Now come on, we gotta find the owner of that cat.
Wait, the owner to this cat right here?
Yes. The kitty cat. Isn't the future wonderful? Ooh, look, an android.
Jacob, that's a toaster.
We'll see about that. Come along. Glad we could reconnect that guy with his cat.
Yeah, I'm really glad. Although, is it weird that I felt like this weird connection to the
Not at all.
cat? How? I don't know, it's weird.
Robert, I told you that was an android. Hey, you kind of look like... Oh, a kitty cat. Why, hello, kitty cat. How are you today? Oh, you're so adorable. Ooh. But that means... Oh, a kitty cat. Why, hello. How are you today? Oh, you're so adorable. Ooh. But that means that other guy has Robert. Ah.
Kitty.
But that's Robert.
Yes, and I'm going to kill him, so he never invents time travel.
He didn't invent time travel, I did.
Oh.
Broke the time machine.
Oh, crap.